For many, saving and investing money can feel like an uphill battle. An ISA is often seen as a popular choice for many wanting to both keep safe and grow their money. But what exactly is an ISA, and why is it hailed as a cornerstone of tax-efficient financial planning? We'll dive into that in this video, all about understanding ISAs. So, what is an ISA? An ISA is a special type of savings or investment account offered by banks, building societies, and investment platforms. The key benefit of an ISA is its tax-free status. Any interest earned on cash ISAs or any capital gains or dividends generated within stocks and shares ISAs is exempt from UK income and capital gains taxes. How much can you save? The UK government sets an annual ISA allowance, currently at £20,000 for the 24-25 tax year. This is the total amount you can contribute across all your ISAs in a single year, with this allowance resetting on April 6th. You can choose to put the entire allowance in one ISA type or split it between different ones to suit your needs. So what are the different types of ISAs? The world of ISAs isn't one size fits all, with each one catering to specific goals and risk appetites. Here are the different types of ISAs available to you. Cash ISAs. These offer a good place to park your money and earn interest, typically with easy access to your funds. While interest rates may be lower than other ISA types, they're a good option for short-term savings or emergency funds. Stocks and shares ISAs. Looking for growth potential? Stocks and shares ISAs allow you to invest in the stock market through shares, funds, or other assets. While offering the chance for higher returns, they also carry the risk of your investment losing value. Lifetime ISAs, or LISAs, designed for first-time homebuyers or retirement savings, LISAs offer a government bonus of 25% on your contributions, up to a maximum of £1,000 per year. However, there are restrictions on withdrawals, so plan carefully before opening a LISA. What are the tax benefits of ISAs? The primary benefit of ISAs is the tax exemption on any growth within the account. Here's a breakdown of the tax advantages. Interest earned. In a regular savings account, interest is subject to income tax. With a cash ISA, the interest you earn is completely tax-free. Capital gains. Profits from selling investments held in a stocks and shares ISA are exempt from capital gains tax. Dividends. Dividends received from shares held within a stocks and shares ISA are not subject to income tax. This tax shield allows your money to compound faster, meaning your returns generate even more returns over time. ISAs are a valuable tool for saving and investing in the UK. They offer a tax-efficient way to grow your money, allowing you to keep more of your returns. By understanding the different ISA types, contribution limits and tax benefits, you can choose the best ISA to fit your financial goals and investment strategy. Opening an ISA is a straightforward process. Most banks and investment platforms offer a variety of ISA options. Research the different types and choose one that aligns with your risk tolerance. Subscribe to XTB to learn more about trading and investing.